There are 3 ways to delete an unwanted page in Microsoft Word. Place your cursor at the top of the blank page and hit the Delete key. If that doesn't work, you may have unwanted carriage returns. Find them by turning on paragraph marks from the Home ribbon tab. Now you can scroll through your document and find any more blank spaces and delete them all. Finally, change to the View ribbon tab, click Navigation pane, and then click Pages. Now you can quickly scroll through your document and find any more blank pages you may have.